Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasfatima binti Nazar Zulfirdaus Wahab and I am from class 1 Madani. Imagine a creature that can regrow its own limbs, stays young forever, and always looks like it is smiling. This is the incredible axolotl, a unique salamander that only lives in one place on Earth. The ancient the ancient the ancient freshwater canals of Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City. Tragically, Tragically, this remarkable animal is critically endangered. Human development has polluted their waters, urban growth is destroying their homes, and invasive fish are eating their young. Today, very few remain in the wild, but we can but we can help change their story. You can help by supporting Adopt Axolotl campaign run by Mexican scientists which funds local which funds local canal restoration. If you buy an axolotl as a pet, ensure it comes certified certified from a certified captive breeder, never the wild. By spreading awareness and protecting wetlands, we can save this underwater wonder. That's all from me. Thank you.